I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be telling you about Algodoo. So, well, first of all, let me explain why I'm making this video. Well, the reason I'm making this video is because, well, Algodoo is a great physics engine. I'll explain what that is in a moment. It's a great physics engine. If you're bored, you can totally use it. And maybe you're just stuck at home because of coronavirus, or maybe you're starting homeschooling, because I'm homeschooling, and you might want to start homeschooling too. And this is a resource that has helped me a lot, so you might want to use it too. Anyway, so what is Algodoo? Algodoo is a physics engine. So a physics engine is a simulation of physics, basically. That's the most simplest definition I could come up with. Anyway, a physics engine is where you can simulate physics, obviously, and you can also simulate awesome stuff like water, gears, I don't know, like gears, marble races even, and so much more. So Algodoo is a physics engine, and it's an awesome physics engine that I always use, almost always. I mean, of course, I don't use it always, obviously. Anyway, Algodoo is a physics engine, and I hope you use it as well. Okay, so why do I like Algodoo? Well, Algodoo is a great way to explain physics. It's also a great way to tell you how physics works, and if you really want to explain something that is physics related but you can't explain it on a chalkboard, this Algodoo website is great. Also, the best part is it's free. You can totally get it for free. Just go to algodoo.com here. So if you go to algodoo.com, you go to here, and if you go to algodoo.com, you can go to download, and then it's very free. You can either download for Mac or download it for Windows. I download it for Mac, and then you just click this, and you're done. And then it will show you how to use it. But so this is what I'm running. This is just a fun thing that you can do. But you can also make it for you can also make Algodoo for fun, for physics. For example, I have this wave machine. This wave machine will... No, this is wrong, actually. Well, it is a wave machine, but it is this one. Okay, so this is my wave machine. And so it is making waves, right? As you can see here. So these waves are, of course, really hard to make. Well, not really. You can just copy me. So this is what I did. This is for physics. I learned this from waves in physics, or oscillations in mechanical waves, like this one. This is a mechanical wave, kind of. So you can make something like this, or you can make something cool, like, I don't know, this. This is a marble race that I just had fun with. I just wanted to make it quickly. So this is a great way to learn experience. Algodoo is awesome. This is not an ad. Also, there are a bunch of other tools you can try. For example, there is this toolbar menu here, or there is this section in here where it explains. It's a quick tour. So, for example, this is your browser menu. This is your top menu. For example, here's the tools. Here's the I have no idea what this is. I'm not sure what this is. This is the options menu. This is your toolbar. This is your tool options. This is your simulation control. For example, play, pause, redo and undo, turn on, off gravity, air friction, and background grid. So, for example, you can turn off gravity here. Yeah, I'm not sure what I just did. That's bad. Sorry. And here's the properties menu. Set materials and colors. And you can see forces here as well, which is cool. Okay, so that is basically Algodoo. Also, there is this thing called Algobox. Algobox is where you can add projects that you made, and you can also see other people who made stuff. For example, here, this is what other people made. I normally don't upload it to Algobox, but you can totally upload it to Algobox. So in conclusion, Algodoo is a great website for basically simulating physics and having fun, basically. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you at howtodoselfreason.com, and see you next time. Bye.